'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you.
What's up, guys? It's me, Jen, and this is... Welcome to our... Very good! So today's video, what we're going to do? Yay! First, we have to mix our ingredients para sa i-wrap natin. Kasi today, we're going to make a... Sure! Before that, we have to mix this one. This one. Slowly. Here. Slowly. Very good. This one is salt. And this one is sugar. And next is white onion and black pepper. Next one is paprika. Spanish paprika. Careful because that's spicy, okay? Can you mix? Oh, very good. It's my turn, thank you. Mix like this. Oh, don't touch that. Can you help, Mama? Are you done? Are you done? Oh. Wait for a while. We'll just have to mix this properly. It's your turn. Did you wash your hand? I don't think so. Ask Ate Michelle first to wash your hand. Here you go. I wait you here, Pastor. For the meantime, guys, pinapainit ko pa yung oven ng 275 Fahrenheit kasi oven natin ito ng 2 hours pagkatapos natin i-wrap yung ating mga ingredients. So, we just have to wait Mikey kasi excited siya i-wrap it. You're here? Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh. It's your turn. So, oh, wait for a while. Just stand there. Okay? Okay, you'll just have to rub and Mama will pull up. Okay? You rub. No, you... Okay. So, enough? Mama will rub. Mikey will rub too. Rub properly. Spread properly. Spread properly. No, oh, that's not dirty. That's ingredients. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, ingredients. Ingredients. Okay, we'll just have to spread properly, guys, para ma-even yung taste niya. Uy! Ikaw siya. So guys, medyo nauuhaw ako. Kailangan ko na konting inumin.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm hopping.
Okay, you rub first. You rub, you spread properly. Done? Look it. Don't touch your hand. Don't touch your arm. Oh no, you never put ice in here. So guys, pag nagluluto kasi ako, medyo mainit kasi dito sa room namin. So kailangan ko ng konting inumin. So cheers everyone! And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel! Did you wrap properly?
Yes.
No, you never wrap properly. No, I don't think so. So, other side. Yes.
Okay.
You have to put also. Okay, can you spread? Spread properly like this. Look at mama.
Look at Mama.
Spread properly like this.
Like this. Can help you.
Sure. Hopefully.
Hey.
Okay, enough. You just have to spread. Yes, spread. Spread properly. Are you happy cooking with mama? Ready?
Okay, Mama.
I love you too.
I also say the
No, it's okay, just spread.
Okay. Okay, I'm done, Mama.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, let's have to wash our hand.
Okay.
So guys, kailangan lang natin itong i-cover with our foil.
Look in the eyes.
心底和发老弹着琴，陪你恰恰拉提，像波斯帽子你可爱调皮，可爱调皮，把浪漫留在巴黎埃菲尔塔顶，把激情留在马尔代夫冲耳底，记着你的典礼，我弹着尤克里里，一起爬山看日落，
Now
不
it's
要
time
哭泣。
to open it.
把梦幻留在维也纳金色的旋律，把神秘留在尼罗河，游荡在心底，和法老弹着琴，陪你恰恰拉蒂，像波斯帽子你可爱调皮，可爱调皮，把浪漫留在巴黎埃菲尔塔顶，把激情留在马尔代夫冲浪 party， 记着你的典礼。 我弹着尤克里里，一起爬山看日落，不要哭泣。把梦幻留在维也纳金色的旋律，把神秘留在尼罗河，游荡在心底，和法老弹着琴，陪你恰恰拉蒂，像波斯帽子你可爱调皮，可爱调